2 points and 4 places separate Olimpija and Cercle Brugge in favour of the Slovenian side as they meet on match day 5. It's 3 straight wins for Olimpija now. They haven't conceded a goal in any of them. Cercle Brugge face Slovenian opposition for the first time off the back of a home win against Hearts 2 weeks ago. Forward here towards Minda, who's on the move. Also Legby arriving in the middle as well, finds him, and that's a fabulous first-time finish. Cercle Brugge in front inside the opening 2 minutes. The weight of pass for Alejandro Blanco, who's in here, and that's a wonderfully taken goal. It's 1-1 already. We've not yet played 5 minutes. Manier to clip it in. It will come through for Utkus, and then flicked in sensationally by Felipe Augusta to put Cercle Brugge back in front. Legbe against Taliesin Charles, and then Legbe goes down. What's the referee going to do here? He was only brought on at half-time. He might be in trouble again. He might be off here. The referee having a look at it, having seen the footage once more. He is reaching for the red card. Denke, right up for Brunner. A deeper delivery. Legbe is in plenty of space, and he tees up Kevin Denke to make it 3-1 against the 10. Crucial goal. Okay, to Legbe to create some space for himself, and that is a super finish. That's a screamer. The pick of the bunch for Cercle Brugge. Olimpija's 3-game winning run is ended emphatically. They've been beaten here by 4 goals to 1.